Well, as a way to fight back against the ongoing increase of the drug Xylazine being seen in New York, the state now issuing free harmful additive test strips.
The drug, which is specifically designed to sedate animals, has been found now in the illicit drug market and can cause serious health issues. Our Capitol correspondent, Emil Taligi, has the latest on that.
Xylazine is a product that drug suppliers are using within the opioid. By doing so, they're able to get more of a product. It's a cheaper product than the opioid, and it does provide a different type of high.
I'm told you can't truly know whether or not someone is under the influence of Xylazine until a toxicology report is administered or the drug Narcan does not work as intended.
What we normally do by using Narcan to reverse the effects of an opioid, if we're not getting the desired response or what we call the normal response, then we start anticipating that there's something else on board. There's something else going on with that patient.
Kelly Ramsey, Chief Medical Officer at New York State's Oasis, says Xylazine is predominantly in the city, but it's making its way upstate.
But actually New York City has the best data currently. And Xylazine was involved in 16% of overdose deaths last year. Again, hand in hand with fentanyl.
Ramsey says along with heavy sedation, Xylazine can cause skin wounds.
So the wounds start small and they don't look particularly worrisome when they first start, but without appropriate treatment, they can progress into large necrotic wounds that often need complicated wound care treatment.
The test strips can be ordered through New York Matters. They're designed to detect the presence of Xylazine that's been mixed in with other substances such as cocaine or heroin. However, the test strips can yield a false positive and pick up low levels of Xylazine, which may not have clinical significance.
So if someone has access to more in-depth or more sensitive drug checking in their community, I think they should avail themselves of that opportunity.
Ramsey says they can also choose not to use a smaller amount, or call a Never Use Alone hotline at 1-800-484-3731. Reporting in Albany, Emil Taligi.